Seems legit.
Hello, legitimates. Welcome back. I got a package, and I only know of like one little thing that's in here, so I thought we could open it together. I have went and retrieved a nice big knife because I'm in my house right now. I am going to be very careful though. I love my little stickers, and I don't want to cut anything because I don't really know what's in here. I mean, I know some of it, but it's a big box and I don't know that much of it. So this is from Brymaxx, which is my template lady. Ooh. And I have a lot of these, which I'm not going to pop because they'll be handy for other things, even though they're really fun to pop. This is the thing I'm most excited. This is the thing I know is in this box. This is my birthday present from her. It's packed really cute. She's got a cool sticker and you can see it. But it is the topper for my drink bottle. I've never been good at patience. So you all know I'm obsessed with horror and stuff. So this goes on the top of my drink bottle and it's just pretty. But it's got a severed finger and a mini rotary cutter sitting on ice with some blood. It's just so cool. Is it excessive? Absolutely. Do I love it? Yes. So this will now officially live on top of my drink bottle from now until the end of time. So you'll probably see it in other videos. Ooh. Oh, and here's the lid. So what happens is with these lids is you pop that bit out, which is the little slidey bit on the inside. And then this, ooh, it magnets. Oh, that's amazing. It's got magnets. It magnets in. Look. So now I won't even accidentally drop it. That is so clever. So anyway, this is my new lid. Very cool. And then I have templates. I can't remember which templates I was getting. Ugh. I have other stuff. Oh no, they're in here too. Excellent. All right, let's have a look. I don't care about that bit. Ooh. These are my Empress templates for the add-on. So these are the add-on pieces, which I'm quite excited about. And I got some tags to put on my bags. So she has sent me a whole pack of green ones. I can't remember what I selected, to be totally honest. I just throw money and things come. So it's always exciting when it comes. So these are all green plastic with my name in white. And I get a whole bunch of different shapes. So I've got long ones and square ones and round ones and weird shapes. And I'm like that. That's cool. I love a good packet because different bags will suit a different shape tag. So I've got a whole bunch here that all have my logo. They're really fun in the green because I do love green. But I will only put them on green bags or things that suit green. And then we have a whole bunch of fancy ones. So these are plastic that look like metal. So they're lightweight, which means they won't weigh the bag down if you're worried about that. So we've got silver, and then it's got black on the back of it. So you laser off the top silver layer, and then boom! Pretty. And then this one is bronze. So we've got a bronze as well. I can't get closer, there's a table in the way. Ooh, there's a wood print looking one. So that lasers with white. And then this looks like black carbon fiber. So you can see, there you go, in the light, you can kind of see all the little print in it. And there's gold as well. So this was definitely the mixed pack. I remember clicking on that. So you get a little bit of everything in all the different sizes and shapes. So you could maybe order a mixed pack and then play with them and see which ones suit whatever you make best. Because if you're making little wallets, if you're making more wallets than bags, little ones are probably better. Whereas if you're making really large chunky bags, you probably want something more like this, which is much, much larger. So I mean, it just depends on what you use and what you need. I make all shapes and all sizes. So that could go either way. And then let me get into it. Hold that thought. Then I have, some pretty stickers. So it says, be kind to yourself. And then there's a white one and like a silver reflective one. And this little doodad, of course she sent me green. I appreciate the little things. Would also help if I could undo it. So you open it like this, and then all of your templates hang onto this hook. And it's a wire, so it's quite bendy. So these are just the extra pieces that you need to make the Empress add-on, but not the strips for all those stuff, because you can just cut that. But it's all the other shapes. So that's really cool. And that's everything. I'm so excited about this though. The finger looks so good. It's even got a green fingernail. So anyway, that is my package that I got today. I didn't get it till this afternoon, and then I had to wait for everybody to leave. My husband just popped to the gym so I can finally show you all. But there you go. That is my package today. If you wish to get your own templates in Australia, or anywhere really, but I'm getting a US person. But if you're in Australia and you want templates, this is the only place in Australia that do mine. Or if you just want some bag tags to try it out, these packs are quite affordable, and they're really fun. So have a think, have a look. I'll put all the links down below. I'm pretty sure she doesn't sell these to people anymore, so I'm just lucky. But I love it, and it's fantastic. And I love that it locks in place with magnets. It's so clever. All right, anyway, I'm going.